Well, hello and good morning or afternoon. It is the 16th of December, your second day of in-person if you're at school. Today's all about commission. You actually have two lessons today. Trust me, you're going to be fine. They go together. It is 5-4 and 5-5. If you've never heard of commission, it is the percentage of money that you make off of sales. If you're like a salesperson or a real estate agent, you're going to learn all about it today. I'm going to go over the warm up with you and your homework from last night. Just to look at that agenda, it does say test retake question mark. If you would like to do a retake, I have assigned some already. If I didn't assign it to you and you want it assigned, you need to let me know. All right. So then you have the notes, the homeworks, and you have a quiz coming up. Tomorrow you will get your quiz prep, and then your first day of remote instruction, which would be Friday, you will take that quiz. And then you get to have a great weekend. All right, let's go over that warm up. Yeah, you might have noticed Halloween on there. You know what? It says after Halloween is over, so I can put Halloween on the warm up. It's talking about candy that's on sale, and of course, I had to buy one of each. You had to figure out what would be 25% off. So there's a few different ways you can do this. You can find 25% and then subtract it because you're taking it away. Or you can just find 75% because remember, percents are out of 100 and 75% would be 100 minus 25. Regardless of the way that you did it, this should have been the answers that you got for each of them. Notice that peanut butter cups and Twix were the same of $2.24. Twizzlers was $1.69, and then M&M's was $2.25. So if you didn't get those answers, try to check why. Maybe talk to a peer, maybe ask the substitute. If you need to, you can email me. All right, so that was the first problem. The next problem was about Lily and getting her hair cut. You had to do the sales tax and you had to do the tip. For the tip, you should have gotten $6.74, and then for the total cost, you should have gotten $44.19. For the sales tax there, you had to take that 7%, change it to a decimal, so 700ths, then multiply it by the whole, which is the $35, add that on, you get $37.45. Then you get the 18% of the tip there. And notice it is in the thousands place, you have to round to the hundreds because remember, money only goes to 100 cents and then it makes a dollar. So you're never going to go to the thousands place. All right, so this actually should have looked familiar because it was on your notes yesterday. It was that last you try. If you're struggling on this, please let me know. Let's talk about the homework. This was 5-3. These are all rounding problems, which is very important when you're talking about money. All right, so that's the first section. Then the second section, check your work with mine. I did the two different possible ways to do this. All right, number 3, you just had to find the tip. A lot of people went to put the total. It's just the tip for number 3. Okay, $6.90. On to number 4. So there's a problem just like this on the ed puzzle. So you just had to do step by step. The first step for A was the sales tax, so $4.67. For B, they're asking for the total amount. So then you have to add in the sales tax. Then you have to do that 15% for the tip and add that in. So you get $72.53. And then for the next part, part C, you had to divide by 4 because they're asking for 4 friends who split the bill evenly. All right, and again, with money, you have to round to the nearest hundredths. So you would have gotten $18.13. And then finally, Rose getting her nails done, and they're going to look gorgeous. You should have gotten $28.75. Again, I showed you the 2 different ways to do it. That is the conclusion of the homework. If you have questions, talk to a peer, talk to the substitute. If you can't figure it out, again, please email me. Just a reminder again on that test retake. If you would like to retake it, please let me know so I can assign it to you. And that's about it for me. You're going to head to the notes. You have 2 of them. They go together. 5-4, and then go right into 5-5. Got the homework assignments. Quiz is coming up. Let me know if you need anything. I'm thinking of you guys. Miss you a lot. Take care. Be safe.